Our topic for today is solving word problems involving percentage. We must be able to find the value of percentage part of a whole and solve multi-part or multi-step word problems involving percentage. How to find percentage of a quantity? To find percentage of a quantity, express the percentage as fraction, then multiply fraction to whole number. School, 3/20 of pupils do not wear spectacles and the rest of the pupils wear spectacles. So, what percentage of the pupils do not wear spectacles? We're going to find the percentage. So we have here 3/20. So to find percentage, just multiply by 100%. As you can see here, we can simplify what numbers? Very good. 20 and 100 by dividing 20. So 100 divided by 20 is 5. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So the remaining numbers we have 3 times 5 over 1. 3 times 5 is 15 over 1 or simply as 15%. Therefore, 15% do not wear spectacles. Another question. What percentage of the pupils wear spectacles? The total number of pupils is 100%. 15% do not wear spectacles. So how are we going to find percentage wear spectacles? Very good. We're going to subtract 115 equals 85. Therefore, there are 85% of the pupils wear spectacles. Another example. Zaki was asked to paint a wall of area 84 square meters. In 1 hour, he finished painting 21 square meters of the wall. First question. What percentage of the wall was painted? Second question. What percentage of the wall was left unpainted?
We have the area 84 square meters and the painted have an area of 21 square meters. So we're going to find the percentage of the area of the wall painted. So what are we going to do is to take 21 square meter as painted out of the total area, which is 84 square meters. To find the percentage, we're going to multiply this by, yes, 100%. So as you can see, we have 21 over 84 times 100%. So what we're going to do before we multiply the fraction into the 100%, we're going to look at the numbers if we can simplify. So is there any number that we can simplify here? Yes, we can simplify 84 and 100 by dividing by 4. Very good. So 100 divided by 4, it's 25. How about 84 divided by 4? Yes, it's 21. We have the remaining numbers 21 times 25 over 21. Can we multiply now? We still have a number that we can simplify. What are those? 21 and 21. So we divide them by itself. 21 divided by 21 is 1. 21 divided by 21 is 1. So we have the remaining numbers. 1 times 25 over 1. 1 times 25 is 25. Just copy the denominator 1. 25 over 1 is simply as 25. Very good. Then just attach the percent sign. So we have 25% painted on the wall. Already find the percentage of painted, which is 25%. Now we're going to find the percentage of unpainted. So how are we going to find the percentage? So as we all know, the total area of the wall, that is the 100%. Now how are we going to find the unpainted one? Very good. We're going to subtract 100% minus 25%. So 100 minus 25 is equal to 75%.
How to solve word problems involving percentage. Steps in solving word problems. We're going to read and analyze the problem. State what is given and what are required to find. Draw a models. Write the number sentence. Then solve. Then check your answer. For example, Mariam had $400. She bought a pair of sunglasses for $78 and spent $48 on a pair of shoes. What percentage of her money did she have left? So we have the given numbers: $400, $78, $48. What percentage of the money she have left? So let's draw the model. So we have $400. She spent, it means this portion spent for sunglasses and this portion spent for shoes. So altogether, we have here 100%. So this money left, we're going to find what percent of this.
The amount of money she have is 400 and she spent 78 and 48. It means if she spent, we're going to take away 78 and 48. So if we're going to subtract, it will be 274. So we're going to find the percentage she spent. So we're going to take the money she spent. So 274 out of the money, which is 400. To find the percentage, multiply to 100%. So before we're going to multiply, take a look at the numbers. If there are numbers can simplify. So do we have a numbers can simplify? Yes, 400 and 100. Again, we're going to take away the zeros. So we already simplified. So the remaining numbers we have 274 times 1, and the denominator is equal to 4. So we have 274 times 1 is 274 over 4. That means we're going to divide. Let's divide by long division. 2 divided by 4 cannot, so let's take the other number. We have 27. 27 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Then subtract. 27 minus 24 is equal to 3. Then bring down 4. 34 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract. 34 minus 32 is equal to 2. So we are going to add 0 and point. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract. So we have 0. So the percentage will be 68.5%.
Last example. Cheryl is cycling from his house to the library. which are 15 kilometers apart. If Shariel has cycled a distance of 9.5 kilometers, what percentage of the total distance does he have left to cycle? Correct your answer to one decimal place. So we have important given numbers, 15 kilometers and 9.5 kilometers. So we're going to find the percentage of the total distance left to cycle. And take note, the answer must be in one decimal place. So let's draw the model. So this distance is 15 kilometers. He already cycled 9.5 kilometers. So we need to find how many kilometers left. And we're going to take the percentage.
We're going to find what percentage left. So we need to know first how many kilometers left. So we're going to find that. We're going to subtract. So 15 kilometers minus 9.5 kilometers. How are we going to subtract this? This is decimal. So what we're going to do is to align the numbers having decimal point. But teacher, 15 don't have decimal point. 15 means 15.0. So let's subtract minus 9.5. 0 minus 5 cannot. So we need to borrow from 5. It will be 4 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Copy the decimal point. 4 minus 9 cannot. So what we're going to do, borrow from 1. 1 will become 0 and 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So we have 5.5 kilometers. So this is the distance left. But how are we going to find the percentage? So the distance left, 5.5 out of 15 kilometers is the total distance. To find the percentage, multiply by 100%. Okay, before we multiply, take a look at the numbers. Are there numbers that we can simplify? Yes. What are those? What number can we divide by 5.5 and 15? Divide by 5. Okay? 5.5 divided by 5, 1.1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we have 1.1 times 100. The denominator is 3. So we need to multiply the numerators. We're going to use the shortcut. How are we going to do the shortcut? If we are multiplying by 100 and we have decimal point, what we are going to do is to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, so let's move the decimal point 1, 2. So we have 110 divided by 3. On the problem, it says there, we're going to express into one decimal place. So our answer must be 2 decimal places so that we can round off into one decimal place. So here we're going to divide. 1 divided by 3 cannot. So we're going to take 11. 11 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then we're going to subtract. 11 minus 9 is 2. Then bring down 0. 20 divided by 3, it's 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Then subtract. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. So we need to add one more 0. So we just put point also with the answer. So we bring down 0. 20 divided by 3, Still 6. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 20 minus 18, 2. We said we need 2 decimal places, so we need to add one more 0 and bring down one more 0. 20 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is equal to 18, and subtract equals, so 20 minus 18 is 2. We're going to round off this 2 decimal places into 1 decimal place. So take a look at the first decimal place, that is 6. Look next door, this is 6. Now what will happen to the 1 decimal place? Very good, we're going to add 1. So therefore we have 36.7%.
What did you learn to this lesson? You learned how to solve word problems involving percentage. To sum up our lesson, the steps in solving word problems. First, read and analyze the problem. Second, state what is given and what are required to find. Third, draw a bar model. Fourth, write the number sentence. Then solve and check your answer.